material. Yes, and the pattern
Yeah.
is very cute, and I think this pattern will very suitable the summer, the sea. Yes, and lady.
Yes, 这什么材料？我不知道。And this product, the design, the design is the handbag product, and the material 什么？Oh yes, and this material is the paper material. I think it's very special, and you don't know the paper could help you made the bag product. Yes, and if you like this design and this material, I think you could order it. And this product, if you don't want to customize it, this product is the ready to ship product. After you order it, and when we finish our live show, and we could help you arrange the shipping for you at the first time. Yeah, so that you could see it and test the quality at the first time when you receive it.
Yes, and